Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will continue our lesson, chapter 9, 9.1, district line. Okay, today we start with example 6. Determine whether point P lies on the given straight line. Okay, to check whether this point lies or not on the straight line, we need to substitute the value of x and y into this equation. So let's say this is x and right hand side is y. X2, we substitute x with 2. Y we substitute with 8. So when we substitute, left hand side is 8 equal to 3 multiply 2 plus 2. Okay. Now left hand side equal to 8 and right hand side also equal to 8. So you can write 8 equal 8. Okay, 8 equal 8. So when the left hand side equal to right hand side, we can do conclusion. Point P 2, 8 lies on the straight line y equal to 3x plus 2. Okay, next example B. Again, we know this is x and this is y. So we substitute the value of x and y into this equation. So if I substitute, this is 3 multiply, x is negative 4 minus 2, y is 2. And this is equal to 12. Right hand side equal to 12. Okay, and negative 12 minus 4, this is equal to 12. But final answer we get negative 16 is not equal 12. Okay, negative 16 left hand side, 12 right hand side. So this is not equal. The ending of the solution, negative 16 is not equal 12. So the conclusion, point P does not lie on the straight line, 3x minus 2y equal to 12, because left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Okay, next. For C, x over 3 plus y over 2 equal to 1 and P 6 negative 2. So here 6 is x, y is negative 2. So we substitute into the equation, left hand side 6 over 3 plus, this is 6x, 6 for x, negative 2 for y. So when you substitute, you calculate 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 plus minus become minus. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So left hand side equal to 1, right hand side also equal to 1. So this is equal. When equal, the point P lies on the straight line x over 3 plus y over 2 equal to 1. So lies on the straight line. Okay, the last example for example 6. 2y equal to negative 5x minus 7. So we know 4 is x, y is 3. So we substitute into this equation, y with 3. So left hand side is 2 multiply 3. We get 6. And the right hand side, negative 5x minus 7. So x we substitute with 4, negative 5 multiply 4, negative 20. Minus 7, we get negative 27. So left hand side 6. Right hand side is negative 27. So this is not equal. Or you can do you can write 6 is not equal with negative 27. So point P does not lie on the straight line to y equal negative 5x minus 7. Because of this answer, 6 is not equal to negative 27. Left hand side is not equal with right hand side. Okay, next example 7. The diagram shows a straight line 3x plus 5y equal to 15. Given that O is the origin, okay, O is origin, determine the value of H, K, Q. Okay, H. First, we find the value of H. So what is H in this diagram? Okay, H is x-intercept. H is x-intercept. Okay, X is x-intercept. K is y-intercept. Okay, class, remember to find the value of x-intercept. Okay, maybe you can do the note for this point. Okay, to get x-intercept, you need to substitute y equal to 0. Because at this point, the value of y is 0. So to get x-intercept, y equal to 0. Please do the note for this point. To get y-intercept, x must equal to 0. Okay, to get x-intercept, y we substitute with 0. To get y-intercept, x is equal to 0. Okay, now h, to get h, x-intercept. So we substitute x with 0. Substitute where? Into this equation. Okay, where we need to substitute y equal to 0 into this equation. Okay, this equation for this line. So we substitute y equal to 0, x with h, because this is x-intercept. The coordinate is h, 0. We substitute this point into the equation. So 3h, 5 multiplied 0 is 0. So 3h equal to 15. H equal to 15 divided by 3. Final answer, h equal to 5. Okay, next, B, K. What is the point at K? The point at K is 0, K. Because y, x-intercept is, bukan, no, this is not x-intercept. This is value of x equal to 0. This is y-intercept. So y-intercept, to get y-intercept, x equal to 0. So we substitute x equal to 0 into this equation. So 30 plus 5k equal to 15. This point, 0k, k is y. So 5k equal to 15, k equal to 15 over 5, k equal to 3. Okay, remember to get y-intercept, substitute x equal to 0. To get x-intercept, substitute y equal to 0. Okay, next, to get q, this q. To get q, we need to substitute this point into this equation. Because point P lies on the straight line. Okay, on the straight line. So we substitute into that equation. So x equal to 2, q equal to y. This is x and here is y. So substitute into this equation. X with 2, this is x is 2. Y, q. Y is q. So 3 times 2, 6. 5q equal to 15. So 6 bring to the right hand side minus 5q equal to 9. Q equal to 9 over 5. Okay. Last. D. Gradient of the straight line 3x plus 5y equal to 15. Gradient. Gradient. So what is the formula of the gradient? The gradient, look at this point, this formula, gradient m equal to negative y-intercept over x-intercept. So what is y-intercept and x-intercept? Y-intercept is k. K is y-intercept. So we substitute 3. X-intercept is h. So we substitute h, negative 3 over 5. This is the final answer. Because this is k and here is h. From the diagram also we can get y-intercept, k, x-intercept, h. Okay. That is example 7. Next. Gradient of parallel line. Gradient of parallel line. Okay, look at example 8. Okay. This point before example 8. Straight lines that have the same gradient are parallel. This is same gradient. Parallel. Let's say this is m equal to 2. This is m equal to 2 also. So, when gradient same, so the line is parallel. This is the symbol of parallel line. Arrow on the line. Both line have arrow. So this is parallel line because of the gradient are equal. Okay, determine whether, example 8, determine whether the straight line y equal to 3x plus 5 is parallel to the straight line 6x minus 2y equal to 9. So how to check whether the line is parallel or not? We need to find the value of m for each equation. What is the value of m? So now for first equation, y equal to 3x plus 5. So we know the equation, the general equation for straight line is y equal to mx plus c. So we do comparison. This is 3, this is m. So m equal to 3. This is the gradient for the first straight line. For the second straight line, 6x minus 2y equal to 9. So we want to get the value of m. So we need to change into general form y equal to mx plus c. So how to change into general form? We bring x to the right hand side, become negative 6x plus 9, and the left hand side is negative 2y. We don't want coefficient for y, we want to get y only, so we divide negative 2. When left hand side you divide by negative 2, okay, right hand side for all term also you divide with negative 2. So negative 6 divided by negative 2 is 3x, okay, x. 9 divided by negative 2, this is negative 9 over 2. Negative and positive become negative. So negative 9 over 2. So from here, we do comparison. The comparison y equal to mx. So m, here is y, okay, equal. So m equal to 3. So first equation, the value of gradient equal to 3. Second equation, the value of gradient also equal to 3. So the gradient are equal. Equal. So when equal, we know the line is parallel line. So the conclusion, the gradient of both straight lines are equal. Thus, y equal to 3x plus 5 is parallel to 6x minus 2y equal to 9. Parallel because of the gradient are equal. Okay, remember, parallel, gradient must equal. Okay, next, example 9. Determine whether the straight line y equal to 3x plus 8 is parallel to the straight line 6x equal to 3x minus 9. So we have two equations. two equation of straight line. So we know the general equation for straight line is y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. So first equation, y equal to 3x plus 8. So we do comparison. This is m and this is 3. So m equal to 3. Next, 6y equal to 3x minus 9. So we want only y. So all term we divide by 6. All term we divide by 6. So 6y divided by 6 is y. 3x divided by 6 is 1 over 2x minus 9 divided by 6 is 3 over 2. So now the gradient for the second equation is 1 over 2. This is 3. The first gradient is 3. Second gradient is 1 over 2. And this is not equal. The gradient of both straight lines are not equal. So y equal to 3x plus 8 is not parallel to 6y equal to 3x minus 9. Okay, when the gradient are not equal, so the line is not parallel. Okay, look at this discussion corner. Will two parallel lines intersect? Will two parallel lines intersect? What is the answer? When two straight line, parallel, parallel, if I extend this line, this is straight line, so means you need to use ruler. When you extend the line, this line will not intersect. Okay, if you look at your ruler, let's say this is your ruler, the horizontal line, this is parallel line. So if you extend the line of the ruler, okay, the line will not intersect. So the answer, the two parallel line will not intersect. Remember. Okay, sekejap Okay, next. Example 10. Given that the straight line 4x plus 3y equal to 18 is parallel, okay, parallel to the straight line 2x plus hy equal to 2. Okay, we have two equations. Calculate the value of h. Okay, now we know when parallel, the gradient m1 means m1 is gradient for the left hand side must equal to m2. So m2 is the gradient for the second straight line. Okay, if both straight line are parallel, then the gradient are equal. Okay, just now what I said, m1 equal to m2 because of parallel. So we find the value of m for the first equation of straight line. 4x plus 3y equal to 18. Okay, same method with before example. So we bring x to the right hand side, become minus 3y equal to negative 4x plus 18. Okay, so y equal to negative 4 over 3x plus 6 because all term we divide by 3. 3y we change to y. Okay, 3y divided by 3. So we get y equal to negative 4x plus 6. So we know if we do comparison, y equal to, this is the general form of straight line, y equal to mx plus c. So m, this is m. Do comparison. Okay. m. So here also m. So m equal to negative 4 over 3. So this is gradient for the first equation. For the second equation, okay, we find m. We find m in terms of h. So 2x plus hy equal to 20. So bring x to the right hand side, hy equal to negative 2x plus 20. In general form, the coefficient of y is 1. So we divide by h because we don't want h at y. So we divide by h. We divide h for all term. So hy divided by h is y. Negative 2 divided by h become negative 2h x, okay, plus 20 over h. So the gradient for the second equation is negative 2 over h. Okay, just now from the example, from this sentence, the line is parallel. So we know if parallel, m1 equal to m2. So negative 4 over 3 equal to negative 2 over h. So we bring h to the left hand side, and here we bring 3 over 4 at the right hand side, negative 3 over 4. So become h equal to negative 2 multiply negative 3 over 4. So negative and negative become positive. So 2 times 3, 6 over 4, or you can simplify here, we cancel 1, here 2. So final answer 3 over 2. That is the value of h. Okay, next. Determine the equation of a straight line when the gradient and a point on the straight line are given. Okay, determine the equation. Just now, the equations are given. But now, information is given. Find the equation. Find the equation after the information is given. Okay, example 11. Okay, determine the equation, okay, find equation of the straight line with a gradient of, okay, gradient 1 over 2 and passes through point P6A. Gradient M equal to 1 over 2 and we have point P6A. So we know the general form y equal to mx plus c. So m, we get the value of m. Now this is x and y. So we get the value of x and the value of y. So we substitute these three information given into this equation. So I substitute y, I substitute with a, this is a, okay. 1 over 2, gradient is 1 over 2, so this is gradient. X is 6, so here 6. So multiply 8 equal to, multiply half, multiply 6, get 3, so 8 equal to 3 plus c. So we get the value of c, 5 equal to 5. When c equal to 5, the equation, okay, general equation, y equal to mx plus c. When write the general equation, we just write the value of m and the value of c. M equal to 1 over 2, c equal to 5. Okay, x and y, no need to write value. You just write y and x, means x and y can be any number on the straight line. So this is the equation of the straight line. Okay, next, example 12. Determine the equation. Determine the equation of a straight line that passes through point P and Q. P negative 1, 5, Q 2, negative 7. Okay, now we know the general equation y equal to mx plus c. This is the general equation of straight line. Y equal to mx plus c. But now we don't have, we cannot, the question didn't give the value of m. Okay, m is not given, but two points are given. So we need to find the value of m using these 2 points. What is the formula to get m when the 2 points are given? Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, this is the formula to get gradient when 2 points are given. Just now you learn m equal to negative y-intercept, okay, negative y-intercept over x-intercept. Okay, just now the formula for gradient is negative y-intercept over x-intercept. You can use this formula if y-intercept and x-intercept is given. If not given, you need to use this formula. Okay, if y and x-intercept is not given, so you can use this formula to get gradient. So now this is x1 and this is y1. Here x2 and y2. So to get m, y2 minus y1, negative 7 minus 5, x2 minus x1, 2 minus negative 1. So final answer, you simplify, you get m equal to negative 4. So that is the value of m. Okay, now how to get the value of c? Okay, same like just now, we substitute. This is y equal to mx plus c. This is the general equation. M, we get negative 4. So now how to get c? To get c, we need to substitute value of x and y. Okay, which point that we need to use, P or Q? You can use P and also you can use Q because these two equations lies on the straight line. Okay, you can use any point that lies on the straight line. The point is passes through, the straight line is passes through point P and Q. Means point P and Q lies on the straight line. So you can use either P or Q, either one. So here we use negative 1, 5 point P. X equal to negative 1, y equal to 5. So we substitute into the equation 5. Okay. M is negative 4. Just now we get M negative 4. And X is negative 1 from this point. So this is negative 1. Okay. We solve C equal to 5 minus 4, C equal to 1. So we get M equal to negative 4, C equal to 1. So we can substitute into this general equation. Y is Y, M is negative 4, X is X, and C equal to 1. Just now we get 1. So Y equal to negative 4X plus 1. You can also you can also use point Q, because point Q lies on the straight line also. Can the value of C will same, will equal. Okay, example 13. The diagram on the right shows straight line PQ. This is PQ and RS. This is RS, PQ, RS. given that the straight line PQ, okay, PQ parallel to x-axis, okay, PQ parallel to x-axis, and the straight line RS parallel to y-axis. Okay. PQ parallel x-axis, RS parallel y-axis. Determine the equation of PQ. Determine the equation of PQ. Class, we already discussed in previous example, when when the line parallel to x-axis, and this is intercept at y-axis, okay, when parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis, and this line, okay, intersect at y-axis, so the equation will become y equal to this value. Let's say here is 4. Y-intercept is 4. So the equation is y equal to 4. So this is the equation of straight line PQ. When the line is parallel to y-axis, and passes through x-axis, okay, parallel to y-axis and passes through at this x-axis, x value, this is 2 and 2. So we know this is parallel to y-axis. So the equation is x equal to 2. Why not y equal to 2? Because this line intersect at x. X we get value. X equal to 2, not y. Y different value. So we cannot write like that. We cannot write y. Okay? Or you can use, okay, gradient of straight line PQ with A 24 and M 04. You can find M. M is 0 after you substitute this formula. Okay. For this line, M equal to 0. Thus, the equation of the straight line PQ is 0. So, 0 multiply x, 0. So, y equal to 4. For B, gradient of straight line RS, A and N. Okay, this is A and N. M equal to 4 minus 0 over 2 minus 2. Class, when the denominator 0, the answer will be undefined. So when undefined, we cannot find the gradient for line RS. Okay, the gradient of the straight line RS is undefined and is always 2 unit from the y-axis. Always 2 unit from y-axis. Hence, the equation of the straight line is RS is of the straight line RS is x equal to 2. Okay, we discussed already the answer. X equal to 2 and y equal to 4. Okay. If you don't want to write this solution also can, you know, when the straight line parallel to x-axis, so the equation is y equal to this value. Here 4, so y equal to 4. When the line parallel to y-axis, so we know the equation is x equal to this value. So what is the value? Here is 2. X equal to 2. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, class.